Now, let's take a look at the main causes of dyslexia. Even though dyslexia shows up differently in each person, research shows that there are three main causes that contribute to it, which are genetic and biological factors, neurological or brain development differences, and last but not least, processing deficits. First, we have genetic and biological factors. So studies have found that dyslexia often runs in families, which means it can be inherited through genes. So these genes influence how certain parts of the brain develop, especially the areas that control reading, language, and phoneme recognition. So because of these biological differences, the structure and function of the brain, particularly in the left hemisphere, work a bit differently when processing written language. So dyslexia isn't caused by poor teaching or lack of effort, but it is something that begins in the brain's development. Alright, second, we have neurodevelopmental and neurological differences. Alright, dyslexia is considered a neurodevelopmental disorder, meaning it begins during brain development in early childhood. Researchers found that some individuals have underactivation in brain regions responsible for recognizing sounds and words, where areas that help us connect what we hear with what we see on the page. So because of these neurological differences, reading and writing take more time and effort, even when the person's intelligence and eyesight are completely normal. So this shows that dyslexia is truly a difference in how the brain processes language, not a lack of ability. Finally, last causes of dyslexia is caused by phonological and orthographic processing deficits. Okay, phonological deficit means the person has trouble matching letters to sounds, like trying to sound out a new word but not being able to recognize its sound pattern. Orthographic deficit means that they struggle to remember how words look, so they might have trouble reading or spelling irregular words that don't follow usual rules. So when both of these difficulties happen together, it is called double deficit dyslexia, which is the most severe form because it affects both sounds and visual word processing. So these processing deficits explain why reading, spelling, and decoding new words are more challenging for people with dyslexia.